Hey y'all, I am getting ready to go outside into the storm. I am bundling up. This is in Staten Island, New York. And I'm having a hot flash. So this is a lot for me right now. Got my mittens, got my stick. We about to go outside into the snow. Look outside. Ow. So we about to go outside. Trust the process. Woo. He's inside the car, starting to take the stuff out. I got the little wagon. So I'm about to get ready to get busy, fill her out with the goodies. Do y'all see how high this damn snow is? Do you see my leg to the snow? Jesus Christ. All right, I'm gonna take the bags and start preparing it out. Timberland. Get stuff out to help you. Oh my God. We made it back safe. Whew. Whew. Outside ain't for everybody. Whew. It is deep. Honey, if you is not in tip-top shape to be out there, don't go. Whew. That snow is crazy this day. Whew. I gotta catch my breath. We try to do something good for ourselves. Go and clear the car out, baby. Whew. That snow is crazy. They can keep it. I ain't going back out there. No, sir. No, sirree. That snow is snowing. Too much for me. He taking asthma puffs. I'm trying to catch my breath. Whew. Our boots is soaking wet. I had on high boots and I still got my socks and pants wet. Oh my God. Ooh, Lord Jesus. Whew. New York, good luck. Anybody shoveling that snow, God bless you. Y'all make sure y'all tip them. Please tip them. The snow is crazy right now. Ooh, it's high. I'm still trying to catch my breath.